Okay, in this particular video, we're going to be editing this website using this particular page using Elementor. We'll be editing using Elementor. Now, as you can see, the page is empty. As you can see here, this is the body part, so it is fully empty. So we're going to edit it to our own taste using Elementor from scratch. So this particular one, we don't need a template like the first one we did where we had to start changing the names and the rest. This particular one, we're just going to do it by our own self. Now what you have to do is to go back to your dashboard. Go back to your dashboard. Okay, so come to page. Now this is the page we are editing, home page. So we're just going to click on it. We'll be clicking on it. It's loading. So as you can see, it has finished loading, which is it here. So you see edit with Elementor, so we'll click on edit with Elementor here. Now we have successfully come to this page, so we're going to edit it to our own choice. And the first thing is the first image that they see anytime they come into your website. That's the first image, which is something like this. This is the first image. Once you log into the site, this is the first image that you want people to see. So we're going to be working on this first image first, and then so what I want to do right now is to click on this plus button, and I can decide to put use this one, or let me use this particular one here. Let me use this third one. So we have three column here, as you can see, three column. So now this part is known as section. It's referred to as section. So but these ones that are here are referred to as the column part. So now we're going to be dealing on one of the columns. So what do I want to place here? I want to place image here. And then here at the center, what do I want to put at the center? I want to put something sliding, something that is movable. So I will have to look. Everything you need is here. So we're just going to pick one out of it. Something, I think, come in, please. Okay, we have image. Yeah, this image cruiser. So you have to put it. And then I want image to be here. So first, let's put an image here. What I'm going to do, if you are just starting your own website, you can choose to upload direct from your file folder, but I think because of that template we uploaded, we already have made template here, already made of images that we can use. So we're just going to pick one. So pick this one and put it there, put it here, and then come here, put another one, look for another one to put. So what am I going to put there? Let me put this particular one there, then insert. So we already have two images. So this one we're going to be putting a slide image. Let's just look for, okay, let's use one, let's use two, let's use three, and then let's use 4, and then let's use 5, and then let's use 6. So I think the 6 are okay. So I'm just going to insert them. Right away. So we've succeeded in creating the first page. But then if you need something like this, if you need exactly something like this, you are going to be needing a plugin that is referred to as slider resolution. In one of our videos, I believe I'm going to be adding that plugin to it so that we can see how slider resolution work. Now that image that I just put there is going to be moving like this, but it's not going to be a full screen just like this, so you know the difference of what we are doing. So you see, we're already done with that. So then after, I need another section. I can just put this one here as a section, and then this section, what am I going to put in this section here? I still need something. Okay, let me put a button. Let me put a button there. I need a button to be at the center of it, and then I want this part here, this column here, to have a color. So I'll just come to style and then click on background, and then I'll just choose any of the color. Let me use green. Let me use green since we are Nigerian. Let me use green, and then after that come to the next color, and then choose the same green, and then just like that. So we've already succeeded in putting a button here. So after that, let's put, okay, what do we want this button to do? Okay, let's say build. Let's say build with us. Let's say build with us. Yeah. So there's supposed to be a link to where the button will direct us to, but we'll come to that later on. We can just put it right now. Let's just put it. Let's put it. Okay, we want it to come to the project part. So we just copy the URL, which is copy the URL and then place it there, the project part. So for that you can also enlarge it, which is the size. You can decide to increase it, extra large it as you want it to be, and then you can increase it, so you can see. I think it's even okay. I think this is the last part. Then the color, you can decide to change the text color. You can decide to change the text color, which is this text color here. We're going to be changing it to maybe white. I think white is cool. So okay, that is okay. So let's leave it like this. Let's just change the background color to red. Change the background color to red. Okay, as you can see, I'm changing it to red right now. So what's happening is it's supposed to be more than this. Okay, so I have to click black there. So change it to red. So as you can see, we're already succeeding in building a section. So let's create another section. I want okay, let's create two of this section. And then I want image to be here. Okay, I want a video to be here. So you put a video here. As you can see, the video is there, so you can just drag and drop. And then I also want image to be here with me. So a video and an image is there, or you can also just say a text. Or let's delete this from here. Let's say a text. I want text to be here with me. So the video is here, the text is here. So after creating that section, you can decide to create another section like this. You can decide to create another section, and then I want this whole section to carry images. I want this whole section to carry images. This is how to create a page. So we're working on a page using Elementor to edit that particular page. So I want this whole image to carry, this whole section to carry images. So we're just going to upload different images there. What image do I want? Okay, these images are very nice. These are very nice, so we can decide to use them. Okay, this one, and then come back to the other one. Use this one. Okay, let's pick one of these. I think this one is attractive, sad, and then this particular one we can decide to choose another image. I think this one is okay. then the last one, the last one.